Hey guys, Fede Ninjani. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing great. First off, I'd like to apologize for the angle of this video. This was back in my struggling days. I know I shot this at an angle. I was using my phone, I was using the back camera, and I couldn't see exactly what it is that it's filming. So yeah, I shot this a while ago. I am freed from the shackles, but I shot this a while ago and I didn't want it to go to waste, so I figured let me just share it with you guys. As you guys saw, I'm going to be using the ISO Plus style and holding gel throughout. So whenever you see me using gel in this video, just know that that's what I'm using. So I first off by sectioning my front hair. I section it into two, as you guys can see from the video, and I'm using that styling gel to make sure that my lines are parted neatly. And I'm still using the wide comb here to part my hair, but I'm finally freed from those shackles also because I got a red tail comb. I promise you it is a lifesaver. If you don't have one, go get yourself one. So as you guys can see, I part my front section into two, and then with the back section, the hair that's remaining, I'm going to open a straight line like I'm illustrating in the video. And then the back of that, so after opening that straight line, the back of that you can just leave as is. You can either do twists, you can either braid your hair, or you can just leave your hair as is. I left it as twist because I just washed my hair and then I put the back on twist. So whatever it is that is convenient for you. If it's leaving it as is, do that. If it's braiding the hair at the back, do that. Whatever works for you, because it's still gonna come out nice. So with the line that we are now making at the back of these two buns, it doesn't have to be neat at the back of the head, and then I just put it in twist to make sure that my hair is stretched out. This is the hair that I will be using. I got it from Afro Basics on Instagram. They were kind enough to send me a packet, and I love the hair. So now I am using the styling gel and my brush just to give it that sleek, laid down look. If you don't want this, you can just tie your hair as is without the gel, but if you want like the sleeked down look, then you can use whatever gel of your choice and then just tie it up. So whatever I'm doing on this side, I'm going to do on the other side as well. So working with the front section, guys, you don't want to pull your hair too much. I know I always say this. If you watch my videos, I always say this, because child, if you lose your hairline, it's going to take you an hour and a half to get it back, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to do, trust me, you do not want to do that. So if you feel like you pulled your front hair too much, redo it again. Just make sure that it's not too tight. It's gonna be tight because you're tying your hair, yes, but it shouldn't be too tight that now you can feel your scalp is being pulled too much. So whatever I'm doing on this side, I'm going to do on the other side as well. I lost footage of all of this. Oh my god, I don't know what to do with myself. I lost footage of all of this, but because I'm already on my way, I'm so mad. Yo, I'm so mad because because I'm already on my way, I am going to then have to redo this tomorrow. But you already saw that I did these bands, how I had my hair here, because it was the one that was on a twist. I just unraveled it and I didn't even comb it. I just pushed it back with my hands. But I'm going to try and redo it, but I will show you the finish now, and then I'll just show you the process tomorrow. So meaning I'm going to put this at the end. Like I said, sorry for that, I lost the footage. So this is a while later. As you can see now, my back side of the hair is braided. At first it was in twist, but this is just to show you this works either or, but the final results will be the initial video. I'm just showing you how I achieved that. So you just, so simple, you take the clip ends, you clip them on your hair, you clip them on your twist, you clip them on your braid, depending on what it is that you have on your hair currently. And then when you're done, remember that line that we had in the beginning, you undo those twists that you made, and then you just brush it back. If your hair is short, you can just use a hair dryer to stretch it out. And then on the front section, you clip in one line of the bundle, you twist it around your natural hair, and then you're going to just give it a spin, a twist, wrap it around, and then I use rubber bands to secure the hair, because wrapping it around would always unravel. So I just use a rubber band. You can use wool, whatever it is convenient for you, just to secure it at the end. And that was it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. If you've made it this far and you're new here, I hope you click on that subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.